Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A third bearish black crow yesterday and a continuation of the original move lower from the traditional bearish 2-day meeting lines pattern. That was formed over last weekend actually. The market punched down through the optimized April 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 92.69, as well as a congestion area around the 91.60 to 92.26 region. And now within this congestion area, we have the late July to date broken downtrend, currently at 91.97, that made up part of the June to August roof or half diamond pattern. Prices even tried to punch further down, approaching the slowly rising long moving average, currently 91.35, before pulling back up to close right on the edge of the 91.60 to 92.26 congestion zone. Now so far today, a lower open in between the 91.60 level and the long moving average, followed by a test up to the broken downtrend where it seems to have gathered some bearish ammunition for a fresh attempt lower. Down through the long moving average and only seemingly halting at the lesser Fibonacci line for a while at 90.36 before moving lower still. Below this we now have lows at 88.10 and 87.40 and congestion at 87.66. However, do not be deceived by the October 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 88.80. This has been reassigned quite a few times in its lifetime, and I will treat it with caution if you look to it for support. Yesterday's action was a bit of a mouthful actually. An immediate countering, bearish dark cloud cover pattern type and possible bearish double. The market continues to be none too happy about cresting the recent bullish wave. We've had indecision and a pattern build up over the last 3 weeks that could be one or more or none of the following patterns. A possible bull flag, bullish halfway hesitation, a possible horn top, find even a small possible pennant pattern. Last Friday we had a significant, again, possible bearish belt hold pattern. However, we've had a limited follow-on to that what is usually seen as a strong bearish pattern. All this adds up in its own way to it's a still too early to tell for sure kind of situation. So we'll stay where we are in an indecisive kind of mood. Now so far today a possible second bearish black crow, though we're still within, well, just about within last week's range and just at this moment moving out of this week's one. Actually we're still within last week's range and just about touching the bottom of this week's run. Prices have punched down through the 29.07 congestion and are moving towards the congestion at 28.60. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives you essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.